Today we're going to print this image, Fat Stevie and the Dandelions, onto a tote bag. For this project you're going to need a Lino, you're going to need some Speedball fabric block printing ink, you're going to need a brayer, you're going to need a barron and or a wooden spoon. And for this project, I'm also going to use some stamps to embellish after I'm done. You're going to need some wax paper and a tote bag. So to start, I'm going to put some of this wax paper in my tote bag to keep the paint from bleeding through. And I'm going to lift the middle, the little flap that's there. You don't want that. It'll show up on the print. So you get your paper and kind of center it in there. And make sure it's good and flat. I'm going to print my image right in there. But first I need to get the ink on the block. I'm going to get the ink ready. So I'm going to put some black down here. And I'm going to put a dab of brown to warm that black up. And the brown's got a better texture, so. And I'm going to give a little bit of extender. This is also a fabric block ink. And this will help with the texture of the ink. Mix it up. It should become like a dark brownish black, kind of earthy. Let's see what we get. Nice. I'm going to put this Lino down on this wax paper to keep from getting my already stained up tabletop any dirtier. And that way we can keep the bag clean. Grab that. Let's give it a good coat of ink. This ink will cure in about a week, and you can wash it, and it is permanent on fabric. Now that I have a nice even coat on the Lino, let's give it a go. I'm going to move the Lino with the wax paper off to the side and bring our project back to the center. This is out, this is centered. It has the wax paper on the inside to keep it from bleeding through. Right about there. Get my paper. Use my barron. I'm going to give it a lot of pressure. Looks pretty good. All right, let's lift. And there we are. Make sure your hands are clean before you touch anything. I'm going to add some bees on this project. And for that I had cut a few little bumblebees. And let's see, I can put one here. And let's do one. See how this guy, let me see how that looks. I think that's good. I don't want to overdo it. And now we have to let this dry for about a week.